Hi, I'm Danielle Jenkins. I'm a student in the Master's of Science in Social Policy program with a Data Analytics certificate, and I'm also an SP2 Scholar. I was drawn to Penn because of its location in Philadelphia, and I was also drawn to this particular program because of its focus on social policy as like a niche subject of public policy. I've always been interested in society and economics, and I found during college that studying public policy and specifically domestic social policy was a way of combining like my analytical skills with creativity and writing to improve people's lives. I've gotten to do some research with professor and also got to work in the Center for Guaranteed Income Research over the past 2 years. And I think that SP2 has prepared me for being in an environment that is dynamic. In the near future, I'm looking to continue being a policy researcher at some kind of institution, whether it be academic, public, or some kind of think tank. The scholarship has allowed me some flexibility in what I choose to do with my time and the career choices I get to make after graduation.